Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are all good. So, today we are going to start our third lecture that is about our first chapter, map. And in this, we shall try to cover main topics longitudes, latitudes, and time zones. Meridian of longitudes. Meridian of longitudes are imaginary vertical lines on the earth which run from north to south. There are 360-degree meridians of longitudes drawn at an interval of 1 degree. The prime meridian is at 0 degree. Parallel of latitudes. Parallel of latitudes are imaginary horizontal lines on the earth which run from west to east. There are 5 most important latitudes like equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, and Antarctic Circle. And when all these lines of longitude and latitudes intersect, it is called grid. Time zones. The best means of measuring time is by the movement of the Earth, the Moon, and the planets. The sun regularly rises and sets every day, and naturally, it is the best timekeeper throughout the world. Local time can be reckoned by the shadow cast by the sun, shortest at noon and longest at sunrise and sunset. When the prime meridian of Greenwich has the sun at the highest point in the sky, all the places along this meridian will have midday or noon. As the earth rotates from west to east, those places east of Greenwich will be ahead of Greenwich time and those to the west will be behind it. The rate of differences can be calculated as follows. The earth rotates 360 degrees in about 24 hours, which means 50 degrees an hour or 1 degree in 4 minutes. Thus, when it is 12 noon at Greenwich, the time at 15 degrees east of Greenwich will be 15 into 4 is equal to 16 minutes. For example, 1 hour ahead of Greenwich time, which means 1 p.m. But at 15 degrees west of the Greenwich, the time will be behind Greenwich time by 1 hour. It will be 11 a.m. Similarly, at 180 degree it will be midnight when it is 12 noon at Greenwich. At any place, a watch can be adjusted to read 12 o'clock when the sun is at the highest point in the sky. For example, when it is midday, time shown by such a watch will give the local time for that place. You can see that all places on given meridian of longitude have the same local time. Okay, dear students, I hope you understood all the topics very well. Now complete your work page of first chapter on book and write all the questions on the need copy with proper title page, date and margin lines. I am sure you fulfill the given task. Thank you.